Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Is it time to make portfolio changes before the 2024 U.S. election? Supermicro remains steady with no expected material changes for fiscal 2024, while Intel shares rise amid speculation of a spin-off planned following a board member's exit. Albertsons faces challenges as the FTC trial to block its $25 billion Kroger deal enters its fifth day. Medical Properties Trust moves to settle lease claims with bankrupt Steward Healthcare, and B of A predicts commodities are starting a bull run, suggesting they should be the 40 and 60-40 portfolios. The electric vehicle adoption debate continues. Is it falling short or still on track for critical mass? Meanwhile, Alibaba stock rises as Beijing wraps up its 3-year probe into monopolistic practices. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more about these headlines and their implications for your investments. 1 in 6 Seeking Alpha subscribers is changing their investment strategy before the November election. They expect the S&P 500 to end 2024 higher and see recession odds dropping in August. Key sectors may be impacted, with potential cuts in September and late year.
Supermicro Computer announced it does not expect significant changes to its fiscal 2024 results despite delaying its annual report. Shares fell 34.3% this month but rose 0.8% in extended trading on Friday after the announcement. The company reassured investors about the stability of its financials.
Lip-Bu Tan resigned from Intel's board on August 19, possibly to join the company's spin-off committee. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggests this move aims to help Intel plan a potential split of its chip design and foundry operations. Intel shares rose 9% by mid-morning Friday.
Albertsons dropped 2.5% as the Federal Trade Commission's trial to block its $25 billion sale to Kroger entered its fifth day. Witnesses from C&S wholesale grocers did not support Albertsons' argument that they could sustain competition. Albertsons warned of potential job cuts and store closures if the merger fails.
Steward Healthcare, which filed for bankruptcy in May, has reached an agreement with Medical Properties Trust to settle leasing disputes. Medical Properties Trust will take over Steward's hospitals under its master lease and cover operational expenses. The deal awaits bankruptcy court approval, with a hearing possibly on September 10th.
Bank of America forecasts a long-term bull market in commodities, suggesting they be favored over bonds in a 60-40 investment portfolio. Although China's demand has grown, commodity prices haven't reached 2022 highs but are expected to increase. Over 4 years, commodities returned 116%, surpassing the U.S. 30-year Treasury bonds minus 39%.
Electric vehicle sales in the U.S. grew 11.3% year-over-year in Q2, reaching a record 330,463 units. J.D. Power forecasts EVs will make up 9% of the market this year, down from an earlier estimate of 12%. Tesla leads with nearly 50% market share but faces competition from Ford, Kia, and others.
China's antitrust watchdog has concluded a 3-year regulatory process for Alibaba, praising its compliance after a $2.8 billion fine in 2021 for monopolistic practices. The State Administration for Market Regulation noted Alibaba's improved business operations and service levels. Alibaba shares rose 4.5% in U.S. pre-market trading.
Thank you for tuning in to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Until next time, keep thriving in the world of business. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.